Hey there everyone, and as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to pay your Atome Card using Seabank. If this video will help you, please don't forget to leave a like. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your Atome app and go to the Bills tab and tap Pay Now under your Atome Card. Select Bank Transfer via InstaPay as your payment method. And the app will display the Atome Card payment details including bank name, account number, and the account name. Next, go to your Seabank app. On home screen, tap Pay or Transfer. Then choose to Other Bank. Select BDO Unibank as your destination bank. Enter the account number and after that, tap the number that show up and make sure that is correct. And of course, the account name. Input the amount you want to pay, review the details, then confirm and send the payment. Once done, your payment should reflect on your Atome app within a few minutes. And that's it. That's how you pay your Atome Card using Seabank via InstaPay. Super simple and convenient. So thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you out.